foreign policy? Of course not. Yun eh. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, asan ba ang utak ng mga to? Nasa talampakan nila? They're setting senators and they don't even use. Why? They're using this issue for propaganda or for political grandstanding. For what? For them to earn mileage and what? Popularity in public? For what? At the expense of our regional and international standing and at the expense of our foreign relation with China. Bakit? Kung magkaroon ba ng cutting of diplomatic ties, economic, political, investment, whatever, totally with China, kaya bang sagutin ni Risa Hontiveros, ni Kiko Pangilinan, and the likes of them, kung anong mangyayari sa Pilipinas? At kaya ba nilang saluhin ang mga OFWs? Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi ganun yun eh. O, yun ang problema ng mga to. Alam mo, nakakainis kasi kabubuhan na to eh.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding eh. This is stupidity. And I'm expecting them to have a little bit of, exercising their brain a little bit because para naman hindi nakahiya-hiya sa buong mundo na we have lawmakers na ganito mag-isip dahil lang sa kanilang gustong projection na they are strong, they're patriot, and my God, that's false patriotism or national.
Because they're auditioning.
Diba? Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya.
Yeah. I'm so embarrassed by it talaga. Sobrang nakakahiya. It's so cringy, di ba? Kasi nga yung sinasabi mo, no, that it's based, they're not guests, it's their missions, di ba?
No, they're not missions. Magkaiba yun.
And they exist because of an international law. I'm thinking, looking at Risa Hontiveros, who always needs to have an index card, no? Doesn't seem to have an opinion of her.
Yeah.
Diba? And Tulfo, or this Tulfo person, and,
oh my God,
and Kiko Pangilinan, etc. I really think they don't know. I really think they are talagang mababa ang kalidad ng pag-iisip that they would make something as serious like this, no, as this, look like a teleserye. Lumayas kayo. I mean, di ba? It's teleserye eh. Talaga, at saka they dumb down the discourse, no? Binobobo nila ang Pilipino na it's a matter
yan
of like what Tariela did with our students, di ba? Dinadumb down ang diskurso.
Hindi ko matatapos.
Yeah. You were saying, kasi what did you say? Parang
hindi ko matatapos, pero Lorraine, to be very frank, yun ang kainis, doon ako nairita.
Yeah.
Ginagawa niyong bobo kaming mga Pilipino. Hindi kami bobo. Mas matalino kanila eh.
And Professor Ana, sinabi mo kasi na intellectual dishonesty yung ginagawa nila Gibo na pinapaikot si Tariela with their misinformation, di ba? I think it's way more than that. It's not just intellectual dishonesty; it's deception outright, no? And it's the agenda to that is really sinister, no? It's really sinister to divide a nation, diba? And to isolate us from the world, diba? And to keep us under the grip of America. Diba? Which has gotten already old. We're already witnessing the collapse of the American empire in our lifetime, right? And still we're here. It's no longer, the world has already moved forward. It has already changed, no? Hindi na siya hegemony. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
The likes of Gibo, Hontiveros are still not moving on. Naiwan na sila. Pero ang pinaka-naiinis pa ako sa, aside from the fact na it's a deception, this intellectual dishonesty, is the fact that you're teaching our kids, our young minds to hate people. At the end of the day, the Chinese are still human beings. You don't teach children or you don't teach kids to hate another human being. That's not what education is all about. Education is about trying to be, have that sense of humanity, understanding the issue deeply, the conflict, if there's a conflict, and trying to provide some kind of tools for our students to have critical minds, not indoctrinate them to hate certain people or certain country, because that is not education as far as I'm concerned. So why in the hell these people doing this?
And also, no, we're raising our children not just to be Filipinos but to be global citizens.
Yes.
That's what we're working
Precisely.
towards, no? Unity, no? Harmony between nations, no? So
And but our values of Filipinos, di ba, Doc Lorraine? That's our values.
Yes.
Kasi ganito, ibig sabihin, hindi na tayo makakaahon. We will forever be, kumbaga, atsoy ng Amerika or talagang kolonya ng Amerika. But even the problem is like this. Under Trump administration, to be frank, walang, hindi trip ni, feeling ko nga, ang basa ko kay Trump, hindi niya gusto si BBM eh. Kasi alam mo, kanina nga